Hey guys, it's me, Risa. Welcome to my kitchen again. I hope you're doing well on your health journey. I'm excited because I'm going to show you how to make these super easy, nutritious, healthy, high protein tuna meatballs. Okay, and oh my God, they're so good for any meal actually, and even as a snack. And of course, they're versatile. So if you want to make them like I do, you can, or of course, you can change them up. All right. So before I start, remember to subscribe, share, because sharing is caring. My YouTube channel, Risa Weiner, with all of those that are interested in getting healthier. All right. Because you know, health is wealth. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to be making my tuna meatballs in my Cuisinart air fryer. You can use a regular oven on convection or bake, of course, 400 degrees. I've already lined my cookie sheet, and I always get all my ingredients in front of me so that I'm prepared, okay? This way, hopefully I don't forget anything in this video. Okay guys, so we're gonna start. I have a medium bowl. I've put in 2 cans of tuna. It's in water, it's solid, but if you can get the flake, that's even better. And I'm just using my handy dandy chopper that I got from Pampered Chef a while ago actually. And I like it because it just makes it nice and flaky, and that's how you want to get your tuna to look like. Okay, we're going to add 2 eggs. Okay, and I just like to whisk it up a little bit first. I love things that you can just add to one bowl. Makes life so easy. So add your egg mixture, and you're going to just start mixing that in, but you can wait as well and then start adding in your other ingredients. I'm going to add all my spices. I like things with lots of flavor, so I'm sprinkling in some garlic powder, probably about a teaspoon, some onion powder, again about a teaspoon or so. You can use, of course, whatever you want. And I'm going to add some oregano. You can use some Italian seasoning. I'm just adding some of that, probably about a half a teaspoon. A dash of some black pepper. I love pepper in tuna, so I'm going to add some of that. My favorite is the Frank's Red Hot Sauce, and probably about a half a teaspoon or so of the red hot sauce. Again, that's optional. And in my beetles, I have a little bit of some salt, not too much, just a little bit to bring out the flavor, maybe a quarter of a teaspoon. And then we just blend that up, mix it up. Okay, mix it all in really well. So we're going to add in a half a cup of your favorite cheese. So I had some leftover Tex-Mex. It has Monterey Jack, Monterey Jack with jalapeno, mild cheddar, mozzarella, and then I had some mozzarella. So a half a cup. Again, don't you just love everything you can just dump in one bowl, and of course start mixing that up. So to bind it together, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. If you don't want to use breadcrumbs and you want to use oat crumbs so that it's gluten-free, you can do that as well, okay? And then I'm adding about a heaping tablespoon of some nutritional yeast. You can add that or not add that, but when I made it the first time, I love nutritional yeast. It's a good source of protein and adds extra flavor as well. Now you're just going to mix all your ingredients up really well. Okay. Mix it, mix it, mix it. So as you can see, I've mixed it up really, really well, okay? And you can use just your hands to form the meatballs, or you can use an ice cream scoop like I'm doing, okay? And then everything will be the same size, of course. It's easier to scoop with both hands. So I'm just going to now put it on my pan, and I'm going to be making several. Let's see how many I'll end up with. Last time I had 9. Well, I ended up with 9 beautiful tuna meatballs, and now I'm going to put them in my air fryer. And we're going to bake them for 6 minutes, and then we're going to turn them over because I like them really crispy. One last thing I forgot to mention before you put them in the oven or air fryer is I add just a little bit of some olive oil spray on each of them just to get them a little bit more crispy. Okay, that's optional, but I like to do that as well. Okay guys, so they're halfway done. I like them nice and golden brown and crispy on one side, and then you're gonna just turn them over if you want to, or you can, I mean, they're pretty much cooked, but I like them crispy on both sides. So turn them over, and I said 6 more minutes, but I don't think you need 6 more minutes. Probably just a couple of more minutes on the other side to just brown them up if you want, okay? Also, don't forget again to just spray them on the other side as well, just lightly, of course. Okay, they're crispy on both sides now, and they're super hot, so I want to let them cool down, although you can eat them right away. This could be like an appetizer if you have guests over, with some Dijon mustard, or you can make your own like ranch dip. It is super delicious, and of course, you know my favorite word, nutritious as well. Oh, that's it. There's 9 of them here. Okay, and I'm gonna have them for lunch. I just did a video on how to build your salad, so I've got a couple of salads for the next few days at work, and I'm gonna have a couple of these tuna balls with it, tuna meatballs, and I'm super excited. So I just wanted to say that these are just amazing. I absolutely love them. I've made them before many times, and these are the kind of recipes that I like because that keeps me on my 130-pound weight loss. Yes, I have lost 130 pounds, and I've kept it off for many, many years. I've done all kinds of different diets, and now I'm doing Gina Livy's program, which I think is the top notch. So check her out. I don't get paid for promoting her, but she is amazing. And I know you're gonna love these tuna balls, meatballs. All right, so here it is. So yummy, satisfying, lots of flavor, which is what you want, especially when you're on a weight loss journey. Bland foods are not exciting, and that's when people veer, right? So I hope you love this recipe. Don't forget, subscribe, like, share, comment. Bye for now.